Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started here. We've got a current severe thunderstorm warning. It's right along the coast for parts of Franklin County and parts of Wakulla County, and that's because we've got some pretty strong thunderstorms down that way. A lot of these are drifting more south than east, and we do see some showers starting to spill into more areas, Decatur, Gadsden, even western parts of Leon, and more of Wakulla County. But the more serious storms are down to the south. Look at all that lightning offshore, and a lot of this is sliding south as it moves east. If that continues, hopefully it takes the dangerous stuff with it, and then we're just talking about getting wet for our morning commute. Notice how that batch of showers gets weaker and weaker over the past 3 hours as it moves east also, and that's been happening all night from when these showers started way back over parts of Texas and brought some really dangerous weather through Texas and Louisiana. Much weaker version of those storms moving into our area now, and hopefully it continues to get weaker. We're at 74 degrees in Tallahassee this morning, 71 in Valdosta, and 70 in Thomasville. Got dew point numbers upper 60s near 70. A little breeze is trying, but it is muggy. And I think today it's really going to be more about the clouds and the muggy and that unsettled more than the rain. We're going to get some showers at times this morning. We may even see a couple this afternoon, but I think tomorrow is really the best chance to get the most rain. Today it's just going to be that threatening look and that sticky feel out there. Most of the temperatures around the area between like 68 and 75. It's a little cooler at Apalachicola for a change, but that's where the heaviest rains are closest by. Now, Futurecast tries to bring that through the area, and this Futurecast may not be picking up all the activity just right, but I do think, especially this evening, if we're going to find some showers, northern sections have the better chance where some of that energy is going to be. And as we go through the day tomorrow, what I like about the way the Futurecast is handling is it's going to be several different waves that move through the area. I think there'll be breaks and gaps between them, so it's not like it rains from start to finish tomorrow morning all day. I think we're going to get some pockets where it's a couple hours without showers, and then maybe an hour or two where we're getting some showers. Some of those could be strong. Some of those could even be dangerous, especially if in some of those breaks we get some areas of sunshine. The little bitty pieces of leftover thunderstorms, those outflow boundaries are one thing, and those can trigger some additional showers. But when you add more daytime heating, get some sunshine, it expands that column of air, and now you get a more combustible setup. That's what we don't want, because that's what would provide the best chances for the biggest storms, and that threat tomorrow is going to be a little different than today. The SPC updating that outlook, putting some of that yellow into our area, and you see we've got that marginal risk for dangerous thunderstorms down towards the coast where we've got the current severe thunderstorm warning. Now this outlook goes from 8 o'clock this morning till 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. The next one goes from 8 o'clock tomorrow morning till 8 o'clock Sunday morning, and you can see all that yellow. That's that slight risk category. That's the first level where we call it about a 50-50 chance, where we're still not expecting them, but there's just as good a chance that we get some of the big storms as that we don't. Now, breezy at times on the Gulf today, winds out of the south and southwest up to 18, maybe 20 or 24 knots. This morning it's 60s, 70s. The rain chances are higher. It's going to be muggy all day. Lots of clouds, and I think there can be some showers later, but I don't expect it to be a wet all day kind of deal. Tonight it's more muggy and more cloudy. Temperatures likely going to stay in the 70s. And here's that forecast. Tomorrow, the best chance for the most showers. Sunday, I'm hoping, and I'm getting a little bit more hopeful, that things start to clear up a little bit in the afternoon. And it looks really nice once we get to Monday and beyond. A little warm, but it's the end of May. It's supposed to be a little warm. The big issue is going to be, do we get big storms tomorrow? Please keep checking in with us. We'll have lots of updates all over the place, I promise.